Hi, in this tutorial we would like to look into how to use Experfit to change the raw data into a proper statistical distribution. We are going to use Experfit in FlexSim simulation software. FlexSim simulation software is a 3D discrete simulation software, and Experfit is one of the add-on to this particular simulation software that we can convert the raw data into the respective distribution fitting. So Experfit basically will automatically and accurately determine which probabilities distribution that fit the data so that we can use it in the simulation. To start with, we will go to statistics in FlexSim and Experfit. This will open up the Experfit interface, and we will click New to start with a new problem or new project, and you can enter the name of the new project and click OK. Next, click Analyze. This is where you will input the data. So click the button Enter Data. You can either read the data from file or manually enter the data value. At this point, we want to try to read the data from file, so click Apply. Now you will browse to the data that you will need to input. The data format could be in DAT format or it is in a text file format. So we have prepared some data that is in text file format, so you just select the respective data file and click Open. Now Experfit has summarized all the data for us. Altogether there are 40 data points. We are given with the minimum observation, maximum observation, the average, which is the mean, the median, the variance, so on and so forth. And we can click Done now. Now we are ready to do the fitting. So next we will go to the model, and we will click the button Automated Fitting. Experfit immediately will summarize the data and fit all the different distribution and give us the proper distribution based on their relative score. Now we have three proposed distribution: gamma distribution, Pearson distribution, and Weibull distribution, based on their relative score, which is 91.18 respectively. The relative score represents the error that we have in the fitting. The smaller the error, the higher will be the relative score. So basically this will be the best three fitting that we can have. Now besides looking at the relative score, the next thing that we need to look at will be the evaluation of this fitting. If the evaluation is good, that means basically we can adopt the proposed distribution. If the evaluation is bad or borderline, then we have to consider an empirical distribution. So since this is good, so we will just move on, click Done. The next thing to do is to evaluate the distribution. So you can go to graphical comparison by selecting the respective distribution and click Apply. From here, graphically, you can decide among these three distributions which one that actually graphically best fit. Or you can actually go to using the goodness of fit test, where you will use statistical method to compare the different distribution to determine which is the best fit. Now assuming that we have done with all that, we are happy with gamma distribution. The next step is to go to the application now. Select Simulation Representation. Choose FlexSim as your default simulation software and apply. Now you are given with the function for the gamma distribution in FlexSim format. So you will just to do a copy, click OK, and you will get back to FlexSim and paste the information into the respective location. That's how we use the Experfit. Thank you for watching. Bye.